Hello friends, welcome to one more video of daily analysis of Bank Nifty. Okay, so as you might have seen, this followed the trend line and we'll keep this intact because it went down, but I don't think so this is making sense. So let's remove that. Okay, so nothing from here. This we will remove it. This becomes the support. So we'll change the color only. Nothing more than that. And this is resistance. So that's it. I think it's pretty simple, right? We remove couple of lines, it here, whole day time decay, call a put, both enjoy the time decay benefit. So initially if you are able to buy it, call a put, that's where you can earn it, else you cannot. And whole day there is a decay, and last week there was some volume there. I think that's it from today, nothing else. So Dow Future 116. So let's see whether it breaks 48,000 tomorrow or not. So have a nice day and let's catch up tomorrow then. Take care. Bye.